Tokenmaxxing is the pursuit of maximizing token usage in pursuit of productivity. This word caught on in the past months as tech companies in particular made a sport out of using as much AI as possible in daily workflows. Before going any further, here's a quick overview of what a token is in AI. An AI token is roughly the equivalent of 4 characters in a word. Do note that, of course, that this exchange rate only applies to text. Code, of course, is text, but usually takes more tokens per character because of the greater number of symbols regularly used. Images usually are tokenized according to visual patches or image embeddings, usually converted into numerical representations. With audio, it is usually audio embeddings or speech tokens measured by usually small time intervals. Video usually tokenizes according to samples of frames in the video, along with audio information if there is sound in the video. This can quickly get expensive, especially for users who equate hitting a usage limit or racking up a high bill with productivity. More is not always more, is the key lesson of this video. At some companies, AI tracking platforms incentivize token maxing because leaders may mistakenly believe that higher AI usage means higher overall productivity. An industry that is likely to be token maxing is the retail industry. For instance, a retailer may want to build out a lot of bespoke customer support bots powered by an AI model. If these bots are all powered by an AI model, as you could do through Claude Console or OpenAI's platform, then running these for a retailer with a lot of traffic could see a costly burn through of tokens. What could be an especially costly mistake here would be delegating even the simplest customer support questions to the highest tier AI model. In fact, delegating such questions at all to an AI model could be costlier than simply taking a hybrid approach in the form of decision trees, than letting a large language model handle complex questions. Nonetheless, companies may still token max in a situation like this under the belief that more tokens means more productivity. But the reality is that companies like Uber and Microsoft have reckoned with the fact that more tokens does not lead to more productivity. Both these companies were token maxing for a matter of months and then pulled the plug on those programs and really reeled back. That's because token maxing can be needlessly wasteful to always select the best model for every task, or giving the AI work to do, even if there is no clear goal in mind. Another example of token maxing is giving an AI model a massive context-heavy prompt for even small tasks. Sometimes a short, simpler prompt will do just fine. Business owners grappling with the mounting financial costs of token maxing and its resultant suboptimal productivity gains are seeing a new way forward: value maxing. Value maxing subverts the more tokens equals more productivity ethos behind token maxing. The goal here is to maximize the value for tokens that you have purchased, rather than maximizing the tokens alone. Instead of asking, how many tokens can I use up? Focus on how much you can do with the available tokens. Value here directly translates into quality of outputs and overall productivity gains from using the AI. Finding the most efficient way to use tokens, maximizing the quality of outputs for the least amount of tokens available, is the way to go forward here. There are multiple methods for value maxing. One is to pare down your prompts so that these are not as talky. No need to say anything like, I'm working on a project, here are the details, plus also I need help with blah, 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 blah. You should see phrases like these as unnecessary filler that will add to the effort that AI will have to undergo to analyze the input. Instead, pare it down to the bare essentials. Start with a bullet point list of your goal and constraints and other relevant information. Remember, you're not talking to a person here, it's a computer. It can deal with, you just being straightforward, indirect, all that good stuff. Prompt engineering that requires the AI to outline and review its work before sending the output can ensure that you do not need to spend tokens on unnecessary redos. Reprompting itself can be really expensive token-wise, so trying to nail it all on the first go is pretty essential for saving on tokens. If you do not need to revise a previous output, specify what to revise. If you only have an issue with just one paragraph, then copy and paste that paragraph alone and ask to rewrite only that paragraph. Is your business struggling with value maxing? Reach out to Guardian Owl Digital to get more value out of your AI tokens.